Hey, once again, Eric here, DiFiOT, getting part 2 out of this video today to you. I want to just talk a little bit about Bitcoin. We're seeing that pricing. We saw that dip, and we just kind of come back up again a little bit. What was one of the reasons for that? Now, I've always complained, if you go back when we first had the channel, I've always complained about the institutional investors. They can manipulate the market way too much. They have too much power as far as market manipulation. We're going to have a lot of mass adoption now of individual people like us into BTC to be able to see, in crypto in general, to be able to see, take the whales from being able to make such huge waves in the crypto market. That being said, the ETFs that have been approved recently by the EU, by Hong Kong market, the US back in late December, first part of this year, those have been the buoyancy of this early rally, prior to the halving. Usually that rally doesn't come until well after, post-halving, right, of the actual BTC, which we just experienced, about a week ago. That being said, those ETFs drove the market, and those ETFs are dumping. And they've been dumping, and there's kind of a psychological price point established, I guess, in the market, from what I'm understanding, that it's around 52,000. And when BTC starts to get that 52,000 mark, then people begin to bail out of BTC into more secure investments, which is kind of, in one aspect is kind of crazy to me. Is like, if I buy in at 62, why in the heck am I going to bail out at 52, right? Or 53 or 55, whatever it is. Why would I bail out for less? Just sit there, hold it for a while. It's going to come back. You're going to make more flipping money in the BTC or in any other stabilized crypto like Doge or even Shiba for now. ETH, we might be having some problems because the SEC looks like they're going to come down on ETH now. It looks like they're saying, hey, ETH, you guys are shares. That's what they get for going off of GPUs and centralizing. I hope you're going to find, as a side note, more of these companies come back to GPUs. So if you got GPUs, I wouldn't get off of them yet. I know our team, we're already starting to fire them back up again. We do have a limited amount of solar panels though. Anyway, get back to the article. This article, I'll put it down below. So when you're down there looking for that right now, actually, do me a favor, hit the thumbs up. If you like this kind of information, I try to keep this at 6-8 minutes now and get you a little more information out each day if we possibly can. My work schedule allows me to. I had to go back to doing a real job. And then I'll go back into doing my guiding in the Amazon jungle for sports fishing. So we'll be putting links down below when we start doing that. We have some great places down in Ecuador and Peru that we go into. Look here, recently 9 Bitcoin ETFs significantly reduced their holdings, by a total of 8,107 BTC. That's only over $478 million. It's really not a whole lot of money if you're talking about the whole aspect of the market cap of BTC, right? This reduction includes notable entities such as BlackRock, et cetera, et cetera. Okay, they were dumping. But down below, it's I was trying to catch your attention. Down below here, I'm going to see if I can find this right now. Down below, it's going to show you that it's just the opposite the last couple of days now. Here we go. All right, I'm going to read this. For Bitcoin's price to exhibit growth and regain confidence among investors, all right? So these talking about these market managers. It would need to be consistently holding around the 52,107, the 200 EMA range, support level, okay? Once it breaks through this resistance, there's a psychological resistance of 61,018, the move would likely require positive sentiment across the market, possibly driving then demand back into the riskier assets. So kind of keep an eye on that. Maybe so. Maybe there's something there. Maybe this is some sort of key that the money market managers have. So maybe you're going to want to start looking around for that. I don't know. Not financial advice, just reading what's right here. Looking ahead, the key for Bitcoin will be its ability to stabilize and attract investors back into a bullish stance. Okay. If this exception remains above that support level, that's 52,000, but it hits 61,000, just over 61,018, it's talking that money market managers apparently then trigger a buy, or the psychology triggers a buy for their clients. Now, BlackRock, especially BlackRock against Grayscale, Grayscale's
ETFs have actually had more inflows the last couple of days than they have outflows. So those outflows are going on for a long time, about some weeks now, right? And so now you're starting to see the inflows come back in. So I don't know. Does that mean it's time to gear up and get ready to go? Jump back in? I'm never out, but sometimes we're on the sidelines. Hey, hope you have a great one tonight, today, tomorrow, wherever it is for you. DiFiOT, thumbs up, subscribe, please, and send this out to other people. We're just going to try to get you these little tidbits of information and keep you abreast on the market so you can make the best of every situation. See you around now.